multiple automatic weapons shootout and police officer got hit during the chase. Coming up. The incident occurred on April 1st, 2022, when public safety detective Donald Shedd attempted to pull over the driver of a BMW sedan in Kingman after he failed stop at a stop sign.
Shoulder to this one. 215, contact with them. Send me other units. Where you at? Put your hands up! Put your hands up now! Put your hands up! 215, two at gunpoint. He's running again. We hit. Zebra 215, shots fired. Where are you at? Thompson! Zebra 215, start me units. Thompson and Pell. I'm coming. Ah!
Shedd was struck in the back by a round fired from the pursuing BMW.
Zebra 215, I'm hit. Zebra 215, shot in the back.
The bag Rodriguez attempted to conceal in the desert was recovered and found to contain $34,504 in cash, over 11 grams of fentanyl, and 10 grams methamphetamine. Additionally, 5 firearms, including a full automatic handgun and Uzi, were recovered, as well as multiple drug ledgers and additional cash. On July 19th, a jury found Rodriguez guilty of 11 charges.